Hi there, this is Sarah, and Mom's just getting ready. We're going to start the Evergreen Elegance card stamp set. And here are a couple of cards we've made already. We're going to do this one tonight. And Mom did this one, which is quite nice. Okay. And a couple more cards Mom made from different people's plans. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to start stamping. Okay, rubber stamps, and we need some kind of ink here. And I'm going to start with the middle, some of the middle trees. So let's start with crushed curry. Okay. Make sure it's going to be juicy enough. Oh, it's not too juicy, that one. Okay, hopefully it'll be alright. It's not overly juicy. Try it. I did. Let's try it here again. It's a bit on the dry side. I'm going to try it here anyway. Looks like I used all the ink on the other time. Well, it's not too bad. It's a bit...
That's okay. That'll work.
A bit faded. Okay, and then just wipe that one off and do another one here. Let's go with the pink, which is Petal Pink. Okay. This one's a newer one, so it's going to be pretty juicy. I'm always going to try it off on the grid paper to make sure it works first. Ooh, that's a bit low.
That's okay.
It's a bit low. Okay.
Trees are not straight.
It can be hard to kind of gauge where to put. Okay. Close up the ink before it dries. Okay, and let's do the green one, garden green. I guess we could open these ahead of time too, but... Ooh.
Put that on there and really push into it.
These are the newer ink pads. They're supposed to be pretty... Ooh. Should I try it here just in case? Yeah. Not bad. Could be goopier.
Just hold it down for a minute.
Okay, gotta fit 2 more on that side and 2 more on the other side. That's pretty good.
That's good.
Not as dark as my other one. Okay, do you want to do some?
You may have used a different green.
No, I think I used garden green for that too.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's do Coastal Cabana. This one's pretty new, so it should be juicy. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so just trying to overlap a little bit. And hopefully we don't run out of space or run out of room. Do you want to do the next one just for fun?
Okay.
It's Pacific Point Blue. I'll get this out of the way.
A change of hands here.
It's not really appearing over here, but oh, that's light.
Yeah, it's light.
It's supposed to be darker.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Okay, well, it's going to be that way today.
Put the greeting there.
And you got some pink and some...
You got the pink, so we'll do this one.
Poppy? Yeah.
Melon Mambo.
Melon Mambo. And then Poppy Parade. Whoa, that's super dark.
Yeah.
That's a brand new one, that's why. If we had the Stamparatus out, we could have redone the blue, but oh well. Okay,
squeeze this one in.
Yeah, just squeeze it in, cover it up.
There we go.
Okay.
Looks like it's behind. Good. We're casing the catalog, by the way. This was on...
the annual one, I think?
Yeah, oh, maybe it was... I can't remember. But it was in the catalog, so...
So we didn't design it. We didn't design this one, but we changed it slightly.
Okay. Now, underneath that... Oh, by the way, this measurement is... This piece is 7.5 by 3.5. And the card, it's going to be one of those slimline cards, and I cut it at 9 and 8 and
yeah.
scored them at 4.
So it's going to fit into a business-sized envelope.
Yeah. Where did that one?
Which is over there.
Yeah. And this is a regular 9 by 10 envelope, and it just fits inside just nicely. Whoops, it does.
It does.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. I tried it.
Okay.
Okay, so then that goes. Where'd I put it?
Where did I put what? The actual stamped stuff? I moved
Yeah.
it. I moved it like usual.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we need what? The gold pieces?
Yeah. I'm just going to put.
Oh, wait, are you going to do the blue underneath?
Yeah, I'm just going to put some blue just in the middle to hold it in place.
Wait. Are you going to do the one with the blue?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, you put it on the side. Okay, because I didn't do that on mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just put it there so that it's there.
Oh, okay.
Now, I cut these pieces. This is actually 1.
What's
the
the name
screen.
of that?
It's in 1. Try and keep it in the screen.
This one?
Yeah.
Stitch so sweetly, guy.
Yeah, and I just cut it in half. And they're going to go under here. And go under here.
Just to save paper. Yep.
Yeah. You do it like that or do it like that?
Whatever. A little bit more, yeah, like that. So we glue it down. Looks like one of those cookies.
Yeah, one of these cookies.
Biscuit cookies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look like the tip that came out of them.
Oh, here's the stamp. And
Glue this one down.
glue that one down. Yeah. You're in the picture. Hi, Pat.
Was she there?
I see Pat saying hello. So I said, hi, Pat.
Hello. Thanks for joining us.
I hope it's warm in Kelowna because it's getting chilly over here.
And these go under the end. Now, I embossed these with this. Do you remember the title of this? This new embossing folder.
Nope, I don't.
We can look it up for you.
Oh.
And I'll list it in the comments later. Yeah. And what we want to do is make a bit of a flag at the end. So the one I did last night, that's the one Sarah made.
Oh, yours is over here. Pointy things.
Yeah, this is the one I made. I didn't like they were too deep after I got cut. Yeah, so.
Let's see if I can find this. I wonder if it was here. I think it was.
Won't cut quite so deep this time. Cut up here, and then cut from the corner. Try to cut, and from the other corner to the cut. There we go. And then they get glued.
Maybe I'll just
I'm
look.
going to hide the snowflake, but oh well.
Oh, that's okay.
That's the way it is. That's the, oops. That's the way it is.
Glue on the right side.
Yeah. And then this goes in here like that. I didn't put that one in the right place, did I? What if I can?
It's called snowflakes. I'm going to look up embossing folders.
I'm going to pull it up.
Is it going to come back off?
Yeah, it's going to come back up.
Okay.
Gently, there we go. Up higher. There we go. And then this one fits here, and you can see the other through it in that way. There we go. I think the other one's okay.
Of course, I can't find that. I'll find it someday. Unless it should be on here. Oh, here it is. Wintry 3D embossing folders.
There you go. Wintry
3D embossing folders.
There we go.
You get 2 small, narrow embossing folders. There, that's nice.
Yeah, what's the other one got on it? It's got
the other one's got evergreen trees,
branches.
Branches, yes. And
then where did my Merry Christmas go?
it was up here. There it is. But you want to put it on dimensionals?
Yeah.
Just for fun, and we just put them away.
Of course. And I would put a white piece on the inside to...
Of the card?
There's a piece that we can use for that. Where's that one that was too short?
It's in here somewhere. Way too short. I suppose you could use it, but okay, keep doing that part. So it'll stand up a bit.
Christmas.
And then some diamonds, or they suggested the metal beads, but there's also clear diamonds. Yeah.
I like these guys.
Just randomly.
Yeah. These are just the rhinestone basic
jewels. Yeah, just wherever.
On the tree, or?
Yeah, in the air, in the tree. Just do 3 or 5, otherwise it won't look right. So you have to use an odd number, right?
Yeah.
And then one over here somewhere, maybe down here.
Oops.
Get a new one.
It's gone. We'll find it somewhere.
Okay. There.
And put another one. Oh, there it is.
Stuck to your finger.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put one more on then.
Yeah.
4 just doesn't work. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, some of them are big, some of them are small.
There, down below.
Down here somewhere.
Yeah.
There we go.
And there you go. That was pretty fast, actually.
Yeah, doesn't take long.
Really pretty card. And we would probably put a piece of white, something like this, in the inside, a bit longer.
But make it longer.
Yeah. So you can write on it.
I didn't have one cut, I forgot. And then what we can do is...
You gonna stamp something?
Yeah, what color do you want on the inside?
Pink or...
Oh, how about clips of coral?
I don't think we have clips of coral, do we?
Right there underneath the monitor.
No.
In your hand.
Oh, you mean Coastal Cabana.
Coastal Cabana.
Coral.
Yeah, sorry. Coastal Cabana. That's
looking for it, and there's no such thing on the table.
So I don't even think I have one.
Are you going to stamp off?
I'm going to stamp off.
So it's not too dark.
Do this.
Yeah. There. Oh, that's pretty. That's interesting. You got a weird spot here, but that's nice. Mix the colors together. Oh no! Without the stamp res, it's not going to work. But okay. This is interesting. We have to put
my thumb must have
been
there.
Is in the way, but there you go.
Anyway, that's
that would
actually,
be pretty,
that's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
I'll cut that off.
The colors
and
nice.
Use it on something else.
There.
That's what happens when you don't clean your stamps off and you're done.
Yeah, we got to clean those stamps. Oh, hi, Laura.
Anyway, so that's that one. Now,
not that warm in Kelowna, huh? Laura, how did you find us on here?
Anyway, so this is the stamp set again.
Yes.
And
you want to show the punch?
This, I also wanted to show you, this is a mini slimline card. Show
the difference maybe here.
Yeah.
There's a slim line.
And this one will fit into the envelopes that you would that you send a check in. They're called check envelopes, and they are 6 1/4 by 3, and you just have to figure out your measurements. Okay. And then maybe one day I'll do one like that, and so I'll give you the measurements, proper measurements.
Okay, and you want to punch out the punches over there.
Yeah. Oh yes, right. This stamp set comes bundled with a punch, an evergreen border punch.
I should know how much.
Whichever way it goes. Yeah. And if you buy them both together, again, you save 10% on. Is it from when you would buy them individually? So I just wanted to show you.
Crunch. That is meant to be right as a border, right?
Is line them up there and keep that part firm against the edge. Punch. Turn it around so you can see.
So now we're getting, that's kind of neat. It's going to break off. And there we go.
And there you have
a border of tiny trees.
We can just take off. Yep. Because you have a border. And I used, where are those cards
are up there.
So here's a couple more cards I made with the same set. And I used just 4 of those little trees on that one. And here's another one I made. And this is heartfelt wishes.
I think paper.
Heartwarming hugs.
Heartwarming,
hugs paper.
DSP.
Yeah, it's a DSP. You can buy it separately. And this is the
Evening Evergreen, I think.
Yeah, evening evergreen paper and the soft, and this I bordered it with a soft succulent paper.
Succulent. Yep, they're pretty.
And
I think that's all we have tonight.
Yeah, well, so all we have to show you for tonight. Okay, and
I just
we'll talk to you again.
Talk to you soon. Yep.
Yeah, we'll try and do it again next week. No, not next week. When are we going to do it?
The week after. Next week is on stage. Okay.
Yeah, whatever. Well, soon.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay,
We're
bye-bye.
going to click it off now.